How to fix slow shutdown in Windows 10 and Windows 11. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, in the search bar, go ahead and search for run. Once you search for it, go ahead and type in regedit and then tap on OK. Once you're inside the registry editor, you want to go ahead and simply expand H key local machine. Once you expand this, you want to go ahead and expand system. Inside system, you want to expand current control set. Inside here, you want to go ahead and expand control. Then inside control, you want to go ahead and expand session manager. Once you expand it, you simply want to go ahead and tap on memory management. And inside memory management, you'll then be able to find clear page file as shutdown. Go ahead and double tap onto it. And you want to make sure that inside here, the value data is set to 0. If not, go ahead and set to 0 and then tap OK. If you don't find this right over here, you can go ahead and right click on the blank space and create one. Once you're done, head back to your home screen and then you'll be able to fix your issue. If not, you want to go ahead and right click onto it. Then simply tap on Task Manager and you want to simply go ahead and close all of the apps that's running. And that should definitely fix your issue. Well, that's how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.